Hi all, welcome back to Try Technologies. Please like our channel, subscribe to our channel, share our videos, and also do comment us if you have any queries or if you have any feedback. Please let us know so that we'll try to reply you back on that. Okay, so today we are going to introduce a new concept, that is our technology series. Okay, so just consider it as a series, like whatever you are considering as like whatever we are seeing as a web series in our OTTs, right? So same way we are introducing it is as a technology series, and it is totally going to be on real time projects. So what exactly happening on uh, products which is implemented in the real time, and what organizations are like how organizations are working on the products you're looking to get trained, or you want to move to that product. Okay, so today I'll give you an overview, like what is exactly this technology series is. So we are going to release the technology real time projects in episodes. Okay, so there will be some parts of episodes, like for every technology there might be 7 to 8 episodes. So it will come every week so that you can check on it, and you can practice more. Like every week, for if I say something on, if we provide something on first week, try to practice it and try to explore it and try to search that whatever we are saying, so that you will have a clear picture of what is happening in the real time, and it will be very easy for you to get into the jobs. Okay, so today we are going to see what is Google Cloud Platform real time will be like, what will be happening, and this is our episode 1, and we'll see overview of Google Cloud Platform for this real time projects. Okay, yeah, so going into this episode 1, so we'll see an overview, like what exactly we are going to teach you in all the coming episodes. Okay, so for every technology, we like freshers wants to move to some or other technologies, or it might be cloud, it might be Kubernetes, it might be Docker, it might be C, it might be Java, whatever it is. Okay, so you want to move to any one of the technologies. So right now the most happening technologies in the market are cloud, Kubernetes, Docker, right? Data science, machine learning, AI. These are all the most happening technologies in the market. Okay, so as a fresher, if you want to move to these technologies, you should know what is exactly happening in the market. Like people are talking about cloud, what is cloud, what exactly organizations do on cloud, right? So that every person, like whoever the person coming out of the college, or who are studying in the college, okay, so they will have that eagerness to know what is happening in the organization. Okay, how they implement this cloud, and how they implement this Kubernetes, Docker, how they work with the clients. Okay, so there will be an eagerness to know. So that is one which will cover in this technology series. Okay, this is not only for freshers, also for beginners. Okay, so beginners in the sense, like you might have experience of 3 to 5 years in the market, or you are 5 to 10 years of experienced person, or you are 10 plus years of experienced person, and you want to move to the technology. Okay, beginner means beginner to the product, or beginner to the technology. Okay, whatever the technology is there, for that we are considering it as the beginner. Okay, so if you want to start your career in any one of the products, uh, like we said, right, cloud, K8s, Docker, data science, or machine learning, AI, right? So you will have, like, you know what is happening in the organizations, as you have the experience of working in the organizations, but you don't know what exactly happening on that product, right? So for example, you are a administrator, okay, or you are working in a VMware, or you're working in a database, or you're working as a Linux admin, or you're working as any database administrator, or anything like, or you're working as a database developer, or VMware developer, right? So once, like, if you want to move to the Google Cloud Platform, for example, okay, so you don't know what is happening exactly, like how they implement this Google Cloud Platform in the real time, and how they'll work with the clients, and how they uh, choose your cloud providers and all those stuff. Okay, you will get to know in this technology series. Okay, so this is very very helpful for the people who wants to start their career in this particular product. It might be a fresher, it might be a student, or you want to be an entrepreneur and you want to you want to choose any one of the clouds. You want to know what cloud you have to choose. Okay, or if you are a beginner to the technology, you might have the experience in the organization but you don't know what is happening on that particular product and you want to know what is happening on that particular product, you can watch this episodes, this technology series. Okay, so what exactly we are going to do? Okay, so step by step what we'll do, we will do a client requirement. Okay, so first we will do what is the client requirement. Okay, for example, I am already having a client or I am the client. Okay, for example, ABC is the client. Okay, so I am on the client place, so I want to move my all technology. Okay, so whatever the technology infra. Okay, so I already have this on a physical data center or a on premise. Okay, if I have this on premise and I want to move this to the cloud. Okay, so I'm just planning to move this to the cloud. Okay, so this is my requirement, or my company may be based on a retail, or my company is a online store. Okay, so my company is a online store, uh, and I have my web applications running on this, and I'll have my database, I have my network, right? So how I'll move to the cloud? Okay, so that is a very very important thing nowadays. Like, so this is one this is the first point, right? So this is the client requirement. Okay, so they are planning, okay, to move from on-premise to cloud, or it might be cloud to cloud, or if some third party who is already handling their product, so they want to move it to the cloud. Okay, so it might be any scenario. Okay, so the second part is, okay, which cloud, right? So it is very very important, right? So what they will do, they don't want to decide on which cloud they have to go on. Okay, so what they will do, they will go to experts. Okay, so it might be any organization, it might be any service based company. Okay, so they will choose any service based company to explore more on what the requirement, like what the requirement they have, and they want to move to the cloud. Okay, so they'll go to the service based company. Okay, it might be any company, like in our India, or in Hyderabad, or in, so in India, consider in India we have many service based companies, like we have Infi, we have Wipro, we have TCS. There are so many companies, service based companies. Okay, so these three are Indian based companies. Okay, so I want to know, like I will go to one of these organizations. Okay, and I will say I want to move to the cloud, and I have this infrastructure, whatever the infrastructure I have. Okay, so which cloud I need to choose? Okay, so next part comes the meeting. Okay, so we'll show you like how, or we'll explain you how the meetings will be, like how they will interact, and who will be the team members from a service based company. Okay, so how the architects. Okay, so we are not going into the management level. Okay, so we are everything what we are doing. Okay, we are doing on a technology level. Okay, so remember that we are not doing this on a management level. Okay, so this technology web series is totally on technology part. Okay, we are not talking about the management part, we are not talking about the bids what they do, or they are bidding to Info, Wipro, TCS, and who are winning those bids. Okay, so we are not talking about that. Okay, so we are talking about the technology. Okay, so here we'll have architects from the client side, and also we'll have architects from the service based company. Okay, service based company architects. Okay, so what they will decide, so they will ask these architects to uh, get them the best cloud technology which can be implemented on their applications, or on their servers, on their infra, or on their softwares, whatever they are using. Okay, and they want to know who is the best cloud provider for that particular application or for that particular database or for that particular scenario. Okay, so what this service based company will do. Okay, so here we are, okay, sitting as a architects, okay, for the service based company. Okay, as a service based company architect, what you will do, you will define, okay, list of the servers configurations or the infrastructure or the applications, the software, the networking, VPNs. Okay, so what you will do as an architect, okay, you will define the price catalog. Okay, like what, like for AWS, for Azure, okay, for GCP, for IBM. Okay, so what you will do, you will compare all these, okay, and you will see what will be the best for that product. Okay, which cloud provider is best for product. Okay, here we are considering it as GCP. Okay, so in further days now we'll do with AWS, Azure, IBM as well, but first time we are doing it technology series with the GCP. Okay, so in this series we will consider it as GCP. Okay, but we'll show you how to compare the prices as well. Okay, so that is what happens, and you will choose GCP and you will go back to the client and say this is what the price is, this is what the support they will give, and this is what the uptime they have for these products. Okay, so GCP is the best product for your technologies which are already there. Okay, so if you want to move to the cloud, go for GCP. Okay, so we will recommend GCP on this first technology web series. Okay, so next what happens, okay, so next what happens, they'll go to the implementation phase. Okay, implementation. Okay, like I said, we are only considering technology part here, we are not considering any management part. Okay, so there will be a lot of management discussions will be happening during this time, but we are not going to talk about this management stuff here. Okay, so we are only considering and we are only concentrating on the technology part. Okay, implementation. Okay, so what we do in this implementation is we'll show you how the web applications will be deployed with the database on the K8s, that is Kubernetes. Okay, Kubernetes using containers. Okay, so this is the very latest model which is happening in the industry. Okay, so we'll do this, we'll do the implementation. Okay, so we'll consider it as a production only. Okay, so normally what we'll have, we'll show you like what happens on the development and what happens on the test. Okay, and how we move that to the production. Okay, so this is just a scenario, like this is the theory part, but we'll do the implementation like directly on the production. Okay, after that we'll do the testing of what is happening. Okay, like have we deployed it correctly or not. Okay, there will be a testing there will be a testing on whatever we deployed on production. Then what we'll do, we'll do the handover. Okay, so we'll do a handover and we'll discuss like how we hand over and who is going to support this. Okay, and how they will have the access to the networks, right? Are they using Gembox, or are they using the VPN, or are they using the dedicated networks? Okay, so we'll discuss everything like how we are going to hand over to the support and how the support team will access these production boxes and how client will, okay, display this to the end consumer. Okay, so this will do step by step. Okay, so this is what happens basically, this is what happens in the real time. Okay, this is the end to end, like you will know what is happening and how it happens, how they deliver, and what discussions will be happened. Okay, so this will be coming every week, like one episode will be coming every week, or we'll try to make 2 episodes a week so that it will be done in 3 weeks. Okay, so instead of going for 6 weeks. Okay, so it depends on your encouragement, how encouraging you are and how you are providing us the subscribes and also. Okay, so please subscribe us, and please like and please share to your friends, and also please comment us and give your feedback on this idea of doing technology series. Okay, so this is the very first kind, like no one has done this. Okay, so we just created it, so hope it will give you a lot of information, and it will give you confidence to get into the jobs. Okay, So thank you for watching this episode 1, and please be stay tuned for us for next episodes, and don't forget to share our videos. Thank you very much.